Mcnish back with another vlog. So today is gonna be a great day. Right now I'm heading to the underground headquarters. I'm gonna meet up with them. They're cruising out to Cayuga with like 11 cars, so that's gonna be a cool thing to vlog. There's gonna be drifting, I think. There's gonna be drag racing. There's gonna be two-step. So you know it's gonna get loud. So stay tuned for the vlog. Catch you guys later. Finally reached the headquarters. It's good, bro. What's up, brother? You saying good? Bless. Underground headquarters, we here. Sheesh. They're getting ready for the cruise to Cayuga. You see what's going on underground. Welcome to underground. Fire. We here with it. What's good? Good. AJ. What's up, bro? AJ. What's good, bro? You good?
Yeah, how are you?
Good. Suzuki bike. It's crazy. Nah, this is a crazy color. Too slow. You see that? Just got the flavors. These are all the flavors. Underground shit. Another underground whip. What's good, bro? AJ. That's me. Yeah, that's fire. Got the underground 4x4.
Like, we're gonna be like the new Quan. Yo, that's how this stuff you get.
The camera is moving. You're finna get some crazy rollers. Get ready to head out? It's that time.
Huh? Let's get this in.
And we are out. In the 335i with the peanut butter guts. Yo, this is crazy. See the whips though. Whips. Damn. Huh?
It's a scary sight to see on one of these, bro.
Oh my god. There's a turbo in there. Damn.
Regular maintenance on the fridge right here. Before I pump gas, I pump oil, bro. Oh, jeez. Soaking, baby.
Damn. Hot as hell?
Bitch, oh, yeah. It's hot as fuck. That was clean as
Yo, you can pop your hood real quick? I see the turbo in there. Damn, what's your name too? AJ.
Oh my god.
Look at the turbo still.
Yo, is that alternator? Yeah.
Oh. No, this shit. This shit crazy. That shit crazy. That's how we mobbing out right now. What the heck there just now? Underground vibes. We here. Let's go. Hold up. Set up a tent now. Load your stuff. here. Broken Honda Club for you Honda lovers. Underground shit. Tent's coming along right now. Get you some underground gear. This is a real show car.
On the top.
That's a real snake? What the heck? This guy has a snake in his car. Got the S15 right here. Need for Speed Underground.
Oh, man.
Oh, Alcantara and everything, bro. Ooh. The pillow. That's crazy. Hard. Here, like this angle right here is the angle that has me, bro. Wow. Bro, what is... The hood goes that way?
I sold it, bro. And to be honest,
Bro, look how the trunk opens though. That's crazy.
Fiber, everything. White body kit. I needed money that time and someone offered me and I gave it.
I know this breaks next just because everything is just unorthodox.
I don't know what it is. I gotta get that diagnosed.
Caro. It's super clean. Like, definitely, it definitely gives Japan vibes.
No, it's Japanese for shit.
Lego. Let me know in the comment section which car is your favorite. My favorite so far, I'd have to say is... Honestly, it might be the car with the snake inside, because I ain't never seen something like that in my life. This guy had a snake in his car, and then the snake tank or whatever was built in the trunk. That's wild. He is viewing. Bro, I know these seats are comfy, bro. Look at the seats. Looks like a couch.
Oh, yeah.
I know that's cozy. I love the front lip. The front lip is crazy because this is not how the front lip's supposed to look. With the works, wow. This is really nice. Something about cars on bags just has my heart.
The motorbike goes 9 to...
This low-key looks like a Supra. Celica? I know it is. So the sun's going down. It's the underground shit. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. We live with it. You going to the that's exactly where I'm going right now. I'm trying to see the burnouts. I'm trying to see all that. Two-step burnouts, everything.
It should be 2 months.
2 cars, okay. Wait. So the burnouts gonna happen?
No, these are the runs. The actual underground cars running it. So, you're gonna see it.
Oh, trying to see what's
Yeah,
on
it's
it.
the G82 pump.
This shit is crazy. think they're about to start two-stepping right now. We got all the golfs lined up. I'm recording on my iPhone because the GoPro is not doing it justice right now. I'm done. My ears is finished. Yeah, they live right now. They are live right now. See the vibes? I can't listen no more still. My ears are done still. I'm sorry I couldn't record the whole competition, but that's how it's gonna have to be still. Sheesh. Yo, my boy pulled up. My boy pulled up. Dipsy live in the flesh. We here, man. You got the cam. You got the cam with him. Always. Ready to get that work in, man. It's a wrap for tonight. Closing up shop now. It's that time. Everyone's starting to head out. I had a great time with Underground. Underground is lit, man. Underground is lit. They're doing it still. Oh, shit. On that note, thank you for staying tuned. Stay tuned for the next vlog. Mcnish out.